BiRd. BiRd are feathered-winged, two-legged, warm-blooded, egg-laying vertebrates. Aves ranks as the tetrapod class with the most living species, approximately 10,000. Extant birds belong to the subclass Neornites, living worldwide and ranging in size from 5 centimeters 2 inches bee hummingbird to the 2.75 meter 9-foot ostrich. The fossil record indicates that birds emerged within the theropod dinosaurs during the Jurassic period around 150 million years ago. On 31st July 2014, scientists reported details of the evolution of birds from theropod dinosaurs. Most researchers agree that modern-day birds are the only living members of the Dinosauria clade. I don't know how accurate that information is. Modern birds are characterized by feathers, a beak, and with no teeth, the laying of hard-shelled eggs, a high metabolic rate, a 4-chambered heart, and a lightweight but strong skeleton. Extant birds have wings. The most recent species without wings was the moa, which is generally considered to have become extinct in the 16th century. Wings are evolved forelimbs, and most bird species can fly. Flightless birds include ratites, penguins, and diverse endemic island species. Some species of birds, particularly penguins, and members of the Anatidae family, are adapted to swim. Birds also have digestive and respiratory systems that are uniquely adapted for flight. Some birds, usually corvids and parrots, are among the most intelligent animal species. Several bird species make and use tools, and some social species culturally transmit knowledge across generations. Many species annually migrate great distances, and many more perform shorter, irregular movements. Birds are social, communicating with visual signals, calls, and songs, and participating in such social behaviors as cooperative breeding and hunting, flocking, and mobbing of predators. The vast majority of bird species are socially monogamous, usually for one breeding season at a time, sometimes for years but rarely for life. Other species have polygynous, many females are rarely polyandrous, many males, breeding systems. Eggs are usually laid in a nest and incubated by the parents. Most birds have an extended period of parental care after hatching. Many species are economically important, mostly as game or poultry. Some species, particularly songbirds and parrots, are popular as pets. Another use of birds is harvesting droppings for use as fertilizers. Birds prominently figure throughout human culture. 120 to 130 species have become extinct due to human activity since the 17th century, and hundreds more before then. Human activity threatens about 1,200 bird species with extinction, though efforts are underway to protect them. So you can read about evolution and classification, definition, dinosaurs and the origins of birds, alternative scientific theories and controversies, early evolution of birds, diversification of modern birds, classification of modern bird orders, distribution, anatomy and physiology, chromosomes, feathers, plumage and scales, flight, the behavior of birds, diet and feeding, water and drinking, feather care, migration, communication, flocking and other associations, resting and roosting, breeding, social systems, territories, nesting, incubation, parental care and fledging, brood parasites, ecology, the relationship with humans, economic importance, religion, folklore and culture, conservation. Read all about the bird, birds, bird.